Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about a very important concept, that is ethics. So first of all, what is ethics? Ethics is a way of life or the study of right and wrong in the human action. Okay, so this is a very eternal concept, or the concept among the human being, that is applicable mostly to human being, we can say. So whenever we are doing something, so there is a conscience among us, I mean, that tell us this thing is right or wrong. For example, you are doing something wrong, so your conscience is telling you that you are doing something wrong, so you should not do that. Or sometime we can say that ethics or our conscience is a rule book or something that can guide us when we are in dilemma. Okay, so this is about ethics. Okay, so the main thing that we are going to discuss about the seven scenes, okay, that given by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, so as you know that on the 2nd October the Gandhi Jayanti is approaching. So the my prime objective is here to give one of the lesson that Gandhi ji has taught us to everybody. So Mahatma Gandhi ji has given seven social scenes. There was one newspaper called Young India that started in 1925, and Gandhi used to publish their articles through that newspaper. So the seven sins, the first include politics without principle. So you might have heard about several scam, several corruption related issues. So like, I'm not going to quote any particular scam or particular politician's name, but we know that there are such issue exist in the society. So there are politicians without ethics as well. There are good politicians as well, but yeah, there are some social evils still exist in the system. So we should do politics with principle. Okay, so there has to be ethics among all the politicians. Okay, that was a the say from I mean, Mahatma Gandhi has said that. Then the wealth without work. The prime example can be a bribe. So you are not doing something, but you are acquiring a wealth. That is one of the scene, okay, from Gandhi's point of view. Then pleasure without conscience. Okay, for example, doing ragging, okay, or doing some other things. That is, you are trying to get the pleasure, but that is again through the wrong means. Then knowledge without character. So some people hold the knowledge or skill, but they apply in the wrong sense. For example, cybercrime is there. They are having the knowledge of the digital skills, but they are utilizing in the wrong way. Okay, that is the one thing. Or we can say the phishing attacks. Okay. Then commerce without morality. So the best example of this could be a food adulteration or smuggling of drug. So they are doing some business, but it doesn't has any morality. Again, morality means inner conscience, inner light that tell us the difference between right and wrong. Okay, science without humanity. The classic example of this one can be the World War II event, the end of World War II, that is bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. Okay, so we can say that people know how to make a bomb or nuclear missiles, but where we need to use that we need to think about that. I mean, science without humanities, again, I mean, that is disastrous. Then religion without sacrifice. Okay, so every religion gives principles and values. Okay, so sacrifice is one of the key value, we can say, that every religion taught us. Okay, so main objective of any religion to help the weakest section of the society. Okay, to bring peace and prosperity among them. Okay. So that's why Gandhiji has given one more key concept that called trusteeship. The famous quote is like, Earth has enough resources to fulfill needs of humanity, but not greed. So we have all the resources, or nature is fulfilling our all the needs, but obviously because of human greed, we are exploiting the natural resources, and it is getting resulted into the bigger issues like climate change or landslide. So these issues are there. So hope you understand the seven social sins that is given by our Mahatma Gandhi ji. So hope you like this video. Do share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, friends. Have a good day. Bye.